Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's DIY, I'm going to be showing you how to make this marbled end table. It's inexpensive, it's quick, and it's easy to make. You're going to need a marbled trash can from Walmart, and then you'll also need 2 pizza pan from the Dollar Tree. I'm just going to remove those labels from the inside of the pizza pan, and you'll also need a foam board from the Dollar Tree. So what I'm going to do is take my two 12-inch mirrors, I'll put them on top of my foam board, and I'll trace along the mirrors and cut the pieces out. And I'm using my X-Acto knife for this. You can use any sharp blade that you have. And you're going to cut 2 pieces of foam because we're using 2 pizza pan and 2 mirrors. I'll have to reuse these mirrors for a different project, so I'm just doing this as a demonstration for you guys. So I'm using hot glue. But you want to use a strong adhesive like this Loctite PL530, okay? Please pardon my messy gloves, I'm working on multiple items at the same time. Now I'm just going to use my scissors to cut off that extra piece of foam. And I'm trying to cut it at an angle so when you're looking down on the tray you won't see that piece on the back. You can buy your mirrors on Amazon or Michaels. If you buy them on Amazon, then you'll save $1.50 each, but then you have to buy 12 pieces. I'll leave a link in my description box below so you can find them. And remember to use a construction adhesive, as I said. So now you can see where it's nice and neat. See how flat that is? So if you should press down on top of it or put something heavy, then it won't break. So to separate the 2 pieces to make a shelf, I'm just going to use this piece of cardboard tube. It's from a packing foam, so I just cut a piece of it, and that's what I'll be using. And I'm using my gray interior paint from the Home Depot, and I'm just giving that 2 coats. But in the end, I ended up not using it, and I switched to a candle holder. So you can use anything between that space. But you may still want to use this. So I cut out a piece of my foam so it could fit in the openings, so the glue will have something to hold on to. And I'm just using my hot glue to put it in place. And you're going to do that on both sides. I hope you'll find my channel interesting. If you click on my name below, Budget Friendly Creations, you will find more DIYs to watch after this one. Thank you. See how easy this DIY is, guys? Now it's just to glue everything together. Use your construction adhesive, place it on the base of the trash can, then place your first pizza pan tray, and then separate it with whatever you're going to be using, and then place the next one on top. Just make sure that they're centered. And as I said, I didn't like the carton piece too much, maybe because I painted gray. I think the silver candle holder looks much better, so I'll just go ahead and use my glass cloth to clean my mirrors and just play around with whatever you have in the house to see what you like. Even a short round glass from the Dollar Tree should work. Just spray paint it silver, chrome silver, and it should look very nice. And you could also use one tray if you'd like. The trash can is 16 inches high, so if that's high enough for you, then you could just use one tray. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll talk to you on Friday. Bye bye. Please click on the screen to watch more end tables from my channel.